Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora, for those of you who are new here, and I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. My main emphasis is typically affordable plus size fashion, so if you're interested in any of those things, make sure to subscribe and follow me. I'm also available on Instagram at ThatNoraChick on YT. So today I have for you guys another haul. This is going to be a kind of like a Halloween slash witchy looks. So if you're into like that witchy, spooky season style, which is everything I love, stay tuned. So this collab is with Dresslily. As you guys know, I love Dresslily. They're constantly sending me clothes out to review for them. It works out perfectly because they have my style more than any other place. They carry like that witchy look, the like celestial dresses, skulls, because I love skulls, just everything and anything black lace that I absolutely love, they carry it. So I have a couple of pieces here that you could put together. Like you can create your own like DIY, I want to say Halloween costumes. If you're into like witchy looks, this would be perfect for you. Because if you've been following me on social media, I've been posting a bunch of different witchy looks. So make sure you're following me there because I do post pictures of all the outfits that I take. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have. And as usual, I will link everything down below for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. So the first piece that I have is this beautiful lace dress. This one with Dresslily, I do like to size up rather than down. They are an Asian-based site, and they tend to run a little bit smaller than your regular US sizes. So what I do is I size up 2 sizes. I typically wear a 3X, and for all of these, I normally get them in a 4X or a 5X. Their dresses do tend to have a lot of stretch for the most part. It's very rare that I find one that doesn't have a lot of stretch, and if it doesn't, it's usually just in the bust area. But I haven't had a lot of issues with their sizing. So yeah, I'm just really excited about this because I have a lot of dresses to show you guys. This first one is a black lace dress. Okay, so you guys have probably seen this in a previous video. I did make my, the day that I had a get ready with me, that I was going with my husband, we were going to the courthouse to get married. This is actually what I wore because you guys know I love all things black lace. So this is what I wanted to wear for my little wedding. So yeah, so this dress, it's beautiful. It is, you know, it has a tie, you know, a V-neck, and it's a tie up, and then it has, it's fully lace. It's just the prettiest thing ever. It's a skater dress. It does have like the slip underneath, as you can tell right there. This is a high-low dress, so the back is longer than the front. It's all the way down. The lace overpasses the hem, you know, the lining underneath this here. But this is such a beautiful dress. I did get this one in a 5X, and it just fits so nicely. I love this dress so much. I feel like you can pair this for like, if you're looking for Halloween looks, you could put like a black hat or even like a witch hat if you want to do that witchy look. Pair this with some black tights, which is probably what I'm going to do for the purposes of the video to show you guys. You can pair this with some like black fishnet tights or just anything, some black boots. I think this is just such a beautiful, beautiful dress for Halloween or even just for everyday use. It's just a beautiful black lace. If you love black lace, this is just everything. You guys, I'm obsessed with black lace. Like, I wouldn't say I'm necessarily gothic 100%, but everything that I gravitate towards is alternative, almost gothic looks. So there's a lot of black in my closet all the time, and it's because that's what I love. That's what I gravitate towards most. So yeah, you guys will get to know that more the more I play with my style and stuff. Okay, so the next one is another favorite that you've probably seen me wear on social media because I do wear this one often. This one is so pretty, and I have this one in red too, but this is a beautiful lace skull print. It's a lace up also. It's a dress. It's a skater dress. And it is it's so gorgeous. I just love this dress so much. It goes a little bit past your knee, so it's kind of like that midi style, but it's not like a bodycon midi. It's more like a flared out. It has the lace overlay, and then it has purple, the purple lining underneath. This is a gorgeous dress, you guys. It's just so pretty. I got this one also in a 5X. I feel like I could have sized down on this one, down to like a 4X, just to be on the safe side, because I noticed it is a little bit bigger in the bust, but not so big that I can't wear it. It's actually really nice. It's super comfy, really soft, and I was pleasantly surprised at the material. Like, it's really good quality. It's not terrible. The lace hasn't ripped. It's a pretty dress. This is probably one of my favorites. I love it so much. Okay, and this is another favorite that I have actually not worn yet. This is a beautiful, take a guess, black lace dress. Everything I have here is for witchy looks. So if you are looking for witchy looks, or you know anybody that is looking for witchy plus size styles for Halloween, send them my videos, share it on social media. You guys don't know how much that would mean to me and how much it helps my channel grow. If you share my videos or even just engage with them, I really appreciate it. So then this dress is really cute. I did size up also to a 5X. I could have probably sized down to a 4X as well. This one is like, it's cotton. And down here, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, let's see. So it's like this. It has like this little design right here, which is almost like these little leather belts, but it's not tight or anything. It's just on the dress as decor. And then it has a lace bottom. Just everything I love, you guys. Lace, and then the liner underneath. The lining for this one is cotton, just like the top of the dress. So it's really comfy, super stretchy. All of those dresses that I've shown so far are actually really stretchy. So you can always size, you don't have to necessarily size up 2 sizes. If anything, I would size up 1 size for those. But there is one dress that is a little bit more snug that I'll show you guys. But yeah, this is another favorite. Oh my God, this would look so cute with just like, again, a witch hat, or just a black hat in general, some black pantyhose or some black fishnet tights. I just think this is so cute, and I just love this dress. So yeah, I do want to say thank you to Dresslily for sending these pieces out. Again, I will link all of them down below. Okay, so this is my favorite dress, and unfortunately, this dress, I got it in a 5X, but this dress doesn't have stretch like the other ones. This dress is not stretchy. It fit me completely over the hips, over the butt area, which is surprisingly, because that's normally where things don't fit me. But up here, it's a lot more snug than I like. It is a gorgeous dress. This was definitely ordered for a witch look. You know, it's a beautiful dress. I'm still going to try it on for you guys, but just know that this dress, if you're smaller, if you have a smaller chest than I do, I'm a 48 triple D. If you have a smaller chest than that, this will fit you perfectly. In the hips and the buttocks area, it fit just fine. But in the chest area, I noticed that it was a little tighter than my liking. So unfortunately, I'm either going to return it or I'm going to sell it on my Poshmark. But I have not been able to wear it because it's just really snug in the chest, and I don't like it. It'll flatten my chest. So unfortunately, it fits in the hips, but it doesn't fit in my chest. But if you're smaller than me in the chest, this will fit you very nicely. It's a beautiful dress. This is probably a favorite of mine. Okay, so these are all going to be witchy looks. But then I also have this dress. This is going to be a longer video than I thought. I have this one. It's not necessarily witchy, but it's Halloween. This one I got it because I'm going to be going to a pumpkin patch to do a photo shoot. And this is the purpose of this dress. This is a beautiful, it's a ruffle. Like, it has ruffles at the top, a ruffle sleeve. It is a skater dress. And oh my God, look at this skirt, you guys. It goes way past the knees. It doesn't reach my ankles. It's right in the middle of your leg, the bottom of your leg. It's not all the way down to my ankle, but it's way past your knees. But this dress is beautiful. And so the goal with this dress is to go to a pumpkin patch and take some photos with the pumpkins. I think it would look really, really cute. So I'll be posting those pictures on Instagram. This one in particular, I would say if you're about my size, go up to a 4X, not a 5X. I got a 5X and I feel like I could have gone down to a 4X for this one. Only because this up here is a little bit, it's really stretchy. So I like my stuff, personally, I like my stuff a lot more form fitting. So if you're about my size or so, I would say go up one size, not two. I always go up 2 sizes and then I realize I'm like, wait, I could just go up 1 size with them. But this is such a gorgeous dress, you guys. So I'm going to link it down below. And I have one more dress for you guys. And yeah, then I'll try everything on for you. So give me one moment. Let me grab that dress. Okay, you guys. And last but not least is this beautiful witchy dress. Oh my God. I have this on the thumbnail. But it's like a Batwing style. It has an open shoulder. I got this one in a 5X as well. And yeah, this has like a tie waist, like kind of like that corset look that goes around the dress. It's easier for me to show you wearing it than it is to hold it up and show you. It is a beautiful, beautiful dress. It is past the knees, way past the knees. And it does have like a bat wing. It's just such a pretty, pretty dress. This dress, I am wearing it on the thumbnail, so you'll get a better look, an idea of what it looks like. I paired this with like these like fishnet looking tights. And yeah, I had a witch hat in the picture. It's just such a cute look. If you're looking for a witch costume or witch dress, this is the perfect one. So I'm going to go ahead and link all of these down below for you guys. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and try them on because this dress is like almost impossible for me to show you unless I'm wearing it. But this is a gorgeous dress. I think you guys will love it. And thank you to Dresslily for sending all of these pieces out. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, what other type of Halloween type videos you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, let's go ahead and try this on.
Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high on life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky, love far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you. used to.